Ispred nje je još 3500 km i treba da prođe kroz nekoliko vrlo rizičnih zemalja. Nedavno je i zemljotres pogodio Tursku, Siriju, a proći će i kroz Liban. Ne vidim strah kod nje. Vidim da je smela.
And I don't know if somebody is going to say you can't go here. And then the next question is, how much can I cope? Can I cope with seeing death and destruction? I don't know if I can. I am not so arrogant to say that I think I know that I can cope with anything, because that's definitely not true. What is true is that the Jerusalem pilgrimage is notoriously unreliable as a journey, because you can't. Look at this journey. I started out, I knew for sure I was going to get there over land. Now it's not that sure at all. That doesn't mean I can't try, but I can't guarantee that it's possible. Where will I go? Let me forgot. There's a church there. Great. Let's go there. Let's do the tourist route first. See what it says. 17.5 kilometers with 450 meters climbing. Okay. The death notices. Here they stick them on the wall. And there's so many of them.
Anja je putnik čistih namera. Hodočašće će trajati najmanje 2 godine. Sustigao sam je u manastiru Sukovo, na nekih 15 km do Dimitrovgrada.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Anja, nice
Jovan.
to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm good. And Sean the harp, of course. Say hello, Sean.
Sorry.
Sean the
Name?
harp. Yeah. Of course. You have to
Može
name your
Bog.
instrument.
Dobro nam došli.
Hvala. Sestra Marta, jel?
Da.
Čuo sam da ste u kontaktu.
Oh, thank you.
Iguman manastira Serafim dozvolio je da Anja ovde ostane na konaku.
Jovan.
Čazi nas.
Zašto?
Ovakvom putniku treba dati ne samo krov nad glavom, nego i gostoprinstvo u duhu pravoslavlja.